Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can fix your missing desktop folder on your PC. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is press on your Windows key plus R, just like this, and here you can see this will pop up, and in here you can click on this box and then start typing percentage user profile percentage. So after you have typed that, you can simply just click on this option OK. And then in here you can see the option of desktop right here. You can simply just right click on your mouse like this, and you can see the option of pin to quick access. You can simply click on it, and now you can see your desktop is currently pinned in here. You can simply just double click it and open it like this, and like this you have now successfully fixed your problem of desktop folder. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.